Check in the text below and also in the comments. I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link when you do your shopping. Thanks a bunch. I love these cute shorts that have this little roll on the bottom of them, but you don't like them looking like this when they come out of the laundry or after you've worn them for a while in humid weather. Let me show you a way to fix them so that they always look like this. They stay like this while you're wearing them. They stay like this during laundry, and you don't have to keep pressing them down or filling them with them all day long. Let's see what they look like out of the dryer. They still retain their shape. That's what I was afraid of. I'm going to have to touch these up with an iron. It's better than I thought, but I don't like that little flippy thing up like that. So I'm going to have to press these with an iron before I wear them. But they didn't fade out too much. There was a lot of blue in that water. I guess you could wear them like that if you wanted to, but not like that. So iron it is. Gonna get it the way I want it. And because I do not want to do this every single time I have to wash and wear them, I'm going to use this stuff called Stitch Witchery, and I'm going to put it in between the two pieces of material, and with the iron it just melts it. You don't even really have to cut this, you can just tear it. But make sure when you put it in there, it's the way you want it. So the heat melts these little fibers and bonds fabric together. I'm going to do that all the way around, and then when this cools off, I'll come back and show you if it worked or not. If you're doing this on fabric that you think might burn, then get a thin handkerchief or a thin piece of cloth to put between your clothing and the iron to prevent scorching. Always make sure you start with a clean iron. I have a video about how to clean those. I also have a video about this awesome iron, best iron I've ever owned. Make sure you get it folded down the way that you want it. All the way around. When you get it the way you want it, tear off a short piece Poke it underneath. Make sure you get it all the way up underneath so it doesn't melt on your iron. Steam it. Do the remaining side. Oops, I didn't get that poked in, did I? Could have been bad. When it cools off, you can check it. And you see that it is not coming down. So after a day of activity, even washing, laundering, my little cuff on my shorts is going to stay up and be nice and neat and flat. It's that simple. Stitch witchery. So let me recap. Make sure that you get them folded down exactly the way that you want them. If they're really kind of wadded up, you may have to do some finagling to get that to happen. And since I don't want to iron two at one time, I'm going to put mine on the end of the iron. This is the shorter side. This is the front part of the jean. It's a little bit easier to do. I do not have my stitch witchery in there yet. I want to make sure I have it perfect before I put that in there. I'm going to turn it around. The back side's a little bit trickier to do because there's more material back here. Because our back side is bigger than our front side. Keep this away from heat until you're ready for it to be bonding two things together. So I'm going to do half the back side. If it's too hot, then flip on around and do the front side that's cooled off a little bit. Put that under and make sure it's all underneath there. Put that on there, steam it so that this is melting the cuff to the pants. Back at the front, I'll pull a piece. We'll go between the two seams. I'm not doing the seams because those are sewn onto the pants themselves. I just need this part right here to not be falling out all the time. And do the last part of the back. So it's bonded to right here. This is as far as my finger will go. So I need a piece. It's going to go from here to my seam. Poke it down in there. Try to get it as flat as possible. Steam it. And I would let it cool off before you start tugging on it, but it doesn't look much better. It's not going anywhere. Nice. Thanks for watching my video about how to create a permanent roll in the bottom of your shorts. Remember, it's free to leave a positive comment. It's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave, share this with someone who might be interested in this. You know somebody, you know one of your girlfriends that's going to need this information, so be a sweetheart and share it. Consider subscribing to my channel or to a playlist that interests you. And check in the text below. I'll provide a link on where you can buy something like this to solve this problem. If you have time before you go, watch the video. And until next time, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.